Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the country or region on Temu. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Now tap the U icon at the bottom to go to your account. Once you're in your account, tap the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Here you'll see the country region option, showing the abbreviation of your current region. Tap on it to bring up the list of available regions. From here, you can browse through the list. Keep in mind that Temu is rapidly expanding, but it might not yet be available in all areas. If your region isn't available, don't worry. It could be added soon. Once you find your desired region, tap on it. After selecting your region, confirm the changes, and Temu will reload with the new settings. If you have trouble finding the region settings, or if the update doesn't apply correctly, check Temu's customer support for further assistance. And that's it. Your region settings have been updated. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes.